Today I'm going to show you how to add your webcam in OBS Studio and make sure your webcam's microphone is also set up for broadcasting. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to bring your live streams, online meetings, or video recordings to the next level with clear video and audio from your webcam, all with just a few quick steps. So let's dive right in and get everything set up. First things first, go ahead and launch OBS Studio on your computer. You'll see the main interface with your video preview up top and a section at the bottom called Sources. This is basically your toolkit for bringing different types of media, like cameras, images, and game captures, into your stream or recording. To add your webcam, you'll need to create what's called a video capture device source. Look for the small plus sign, the plus symbol, just underneath the sources box. Go ahead and click that. It'll pop up a list of options. Select Video Capture Device. This is OBS's way of letting you bring any camera or webcam connected to your computer into the mix. It might sound technical, but really, it's just telling OBS what video input you want to use. Now you'll see a little window asking what you want to name this new source. I recommend choosing something clear and descriptive, like webcam or face cam. Naming your sources thoughtfully is more important than it sounds, especially if you plan to add more devices in the future. The clearer your labels, the easier it is to manage and tweak your setup later. Once you've chosen a name, hit OK. OBS will now prompt you to select which device to use as your video source. If you have just one webcam, it'll probably auto-select it. But if you have multiple cameras, microphones, or video devices plugged in, make sure you pick the right one from the drop-down menu. You might see brand names or model numbers listed. If you're not sure, you can always unplug one, check which name disappears from the list, then plug it back in. Sometimes that simple process can clear up any confusion. At this stage, you should see a live preview of your webcam in the OBS window. If you don't, double-check that the webcam is properly connected and recognized by your system. Sometimes it takes a moment or a quick restart of OBS or your computer for new devices to be picked up. Now, if your webcam also has a built-in microphone and you'd like to use that for your broadcast or recording, there's just one extra step. Go into the audio settings for your new video capture device source. You'll see an audio output mode or an audio tab depending on your version of OBS. Here, you want to select your webcam's microphone from the list of available devices. This ensures not only that you're broadcasting clear video, but also picking up sound from your webcam. Sometimes, the webcam's microphone isn't immediately obvious, so look for a device name that matches your webcam. If it isn't showing up, don't worry. Make sure your webcam drivers are installed and your computer recognizes it as both a video and audio device. A quick check in your system's sound settings can often solve any issues here. Once you've selected your webcam under the Audio tab, OBS will automatically route that audio into your stream or recording. You'll see the levels moving in the audio mixer whenever you speak, which is a good sign that everything is working. Don't worry if the levels are a bit low or too high. These can be adjusted by dragging the slider in the audio mixer until your voice sounds just right. And that's it. You've successfully added your webcam, and if you wanted, activated its microphone in OBS Studio. You're ready to record, stream, or video call with everything set up for professional quality. If any part took a few extra moments, don't worry, it's worth double-checking to get that smooth, crisp look and sound. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions as you're setting up your webcam or microphone, drop them in the comments. I do my best to reply and help out. Subscribe for more tips and walkthroughs to level up your streaming and recording. Thanks for watching and happy broadcasting.